Just to make sure we listen for cars coming over there.
Hey.
Estamos en García, Nuevo León, poco antes de llegar a las grutas de García. Aquí están Jill y Trina tomando fotos de las impresionantes montañas. ¡Hey! Aquí estoy yo. Ahora que me aprendí mejor el camino voy a venir más seguido.
Okay, what I got, I not only got the mountains, but I got you two guys taking.
Ah, excellent.
That should look
here's,
really good.
Here's a truck, so we have to wait till...
Oh, I like your pink camera.
Ah, thank you. You're
I
welcome.
thought it was pink. First I thought it was reflected from your sweater.
Ah.
Once this truck gets far off into the distance, can you take a picture of me?
Ah, with your camera, of course.